Now, today we're going to be focusing on courses because that's always your first step, is just managing your own courses and doing something interesting and different in those courses to extend your classroom into the cloud environment. If you're on Enterprise Schoology but don't see courses yet, it probably means they haven't finalized the course schedule yet. But you can toy around with creating your own courses if you want to mess around and delete that work later. Schoology is almost always hooked into some single sign-on mechanism at your school. So if your students log in with a network ID or a student ID into your other systems, most likely your students will also be logging into Schoology with that ID. For instance, if you have Google Apps for Education, they would sign into Schoology using their Google credentials, making it very easy. Once you have your course, you have a blank course sitting there. The first thing I would tell you to do is go into that course. Let's look at my blank course here again. Update this picture. It's going to be just a sad little boring black and white book, and I encourage you to customize that. Just click the edit button and upload an alternate photo. There we go. And now our course has just started to come to life with that simple option. Again, we clicked edit picture there and uploaded a photo. Now this might seem just like a nice design element, but what it actually does is it adds the photo to the courses drop-down. So it makes it really easy to find your course for students in their courses drop-down. If you are teaching at elementary school, I encourage you to add your photo to the course photo. That way students can just look for your picture to jump into your course, making it extremely easy if they have a couple of different courses they're going through. After you have that picture updated, the next piece of housekeeping is getting that course drop-down organized. Now, if you are in the enterprise version of Schoology, it probably looks something like this. You might have a whole slew of courses in possibly in a random order. This teacher is teaching the social science course 3 times, but they really are not in a logical order. Clicking this button here, we can reorder those courses, A, B, and C in order. Now you'll notice these courses have a crown. That means I'm the teacher in those courses. This digital literacy for staff does not have a crown. That means I'm a student in that course. So while as you're using Schoology, you may be a student or a teacher in the courses using the same account. That's why a lot of schools use Schoology for professional development as well as teaching.